Big Things Kitchen. You make the food them finger licking. Chef Juliana. Teach them how to cook rice and peas.
Hey guys, welcome back to Big Things Kitchen. You haven't seen us for a long time, but we're still here. Today, we're inviting you guys to come and have Sunday dinner with us. We're making rice and peas, curry goat, and we're gonna do some French fried chicken. Thank you guys for always keep showing us the love, the support, keep subscribing, keep giving us the thumbs up, the like, the share. Tell a friend who's gonna tell another friend who's gonna tell their grandmother.
This is the best part right here. We throw everything in the pot. It's gonna get cooked down. At Big Things Kitchen, we invite you to hang out with us on a Sunday. We have to burn the curry and throw the goat in. We're gonna have some fried chicken as well. We're gonna have some people over. And we're just gonna have a good time. We're still here, we're still banging out in 2021. If this is your first time joining us, do remember to hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon, tell a friend, tell a next friend, and you'll get notified for our future video. Big Things Kitchen, and this is curry goat. We're gonna cook this down and let it pressure cook for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna try it, and if it's tenderized enough, then it's okay. If not, we'll pressure it some more. Keep watching, and we're gonna continue with our Sunday dinner. Thanks for watching.
So now I'm gonna throw some water on, and then I'm gonna put the pressure on it, the pressure cover on it. And yeah, Sunday dinner, Big Things Kitchen. So this is what is happening with the curry goat. Look at it. Smells amazing. This was marinated for like almost 48 hours. I'm gonna put some Irish potato in it. And over here, this is what's currently happening. The rice and peas currently simmering. But this is our mini deep fryer. So we're no longer frying chicken on the stove. We're using a mini deep fryer, and this is what's currently happening with this thing. Beautiful, and it's very affordable, guys. So easy cleanup, very affordable. Keep the scent down, the fry scent down, and yes, that's what's happening.
Yeah, Big Things style. Don't worry, we haven't gone anywhere. We're still here. We're still doing big things. This is how we do it on a Sunday. And if this is your first time joining our channel, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, press the subscribe button, and you'll get notified for our other videos. As well, this is how we roll, and we invite you for hanging out with us on a Sunday dinner. We also have some carrot juice in there mixed with beetroot. And when we share this stuff, we'll show it to you. You know how we do a Big Thing style. We don't leave out anything. This is Big Things, and keep watching.
Hey guys, welcome back, and this is the final product. This is just Sunday dinner with Big Things Kitchen. We have the rice and peas, the curry goat, the fried chicken, the vegetables or the salad.
And you have some other special juice?
That's just the carrot juice with the beetroot.
Why does it look like that?
Beet.
Beet what?
Beetroot.
Okay, alright.
So continue watching, subscribe, like, share, tell a friend is gonna tell a friend is gonna tell their grandmother. And yes, Big Thing Kitchen, we're back. Until next time.
Wow.
Come on, come on, come. All the things I've been done, all the things I've been done, all the things I've been done. Mama just come.